video we are going to see how to propagate pothos or money plant. So pothos is the other name for money plant which we commonly see in a lot of households, and we are going to see how we are going to propagate it. I'm going to show you a rooted pothos or a money plant, and also from the stem how you can propagate other pothos. Told you that there are multiple varieties of pothos that are available. Right now I have 3 varieties with me and I'm going to show them to you. So the first one is neon pothos. It's from the leaves that you can tell it gets its name from the leaves, the color of the leaves. And the next one is marble queen pothos. So marble queen has white variegated leaves, which we are going to learn how to propagate today is this one, which is the common variety of money plant. So this is already rooted and growing quite well, and I am going to propagate from this stem cutting, and if you can see it has already started forming aerial roots. So these roots will actually get themselves buried into the soil, and from there a new plant comes up. But we are going to just cut it and do water propagation to grow more pothos. So let's see how to do it. So we are going to propagate from this stem, and all you need is a scissor. So there are 2 ways of doing it. Either you can take a stem cutting and do it, or you can get rooted pothos from the nursery and you can grow it first and then propagate other pothos from it. So what I'm going to do is, you have to first check for the nodes. So these are the nodes. So this is the place from where new leaves will be formed. So between 2 nodes, I made a cutting between 2 nodes. Repeating it again, this is a node, this is a node. All you have to do is make a cut here. So either you can put this whole stem as it is in water, it will grow. If you want multiple cuttings to grow, then what you have to do is cut it further. Make a cutting here again, make here again. So we have 3 different cuttings, and we are going to grow them in water. For the next step, all you need is any plastic bottle or a glass bottle. I personally prefer a glass bottle, so let's do that. We are going to use a glass bottle, which is my absolute favorite because I love collecting different alcohol bottles, and this particular one I got it from the scrap seller for 15 rupees. So if you have any such bottle at home, you can use it, or else you can get it from anywhere you wish to. If not, you can as well use a plastic bottle. So that's the best way to reuse plastic instead of discarding it. So fill whichever container you're taking to propagate pothos, just fill it with water, fresh water. And as you had already seen, these were the cuttings that we had. All you need to do is, from the point where you have cut, you just have to insert it in water. Just push it down and make sure it is in water. So I'm going to show it to you again. Take the cutting. This was the place where I made a cut in between 2 nodes, and I have simply put it in water. Just have to leave it. They don't need direct sunlight. Those or any place where there is indirect bright sunlight. So it is quite easy to grow pothos at home. So if you already have a plant, or if you know somebody who already has a plant, borrow a stem cutting from them and you can propagate your own plant. Or else buy a rooted plant, let it grow for some time and make many propagations from the same plant. It's that easy and you will absolutely love the process. So this is the one which we just propagated, and this is the one which I propagated a month ago. If you can see the roots that have come up in 3 to 4 weeks, the same will come up for these as well. And once it gets good root system, you can transfer it to soil or let it stay in water as well. Pothos do well in soil as well as water. So just try to grow your own pothos. It's a lovely process and I'm sure you'll have a lot of fun watching it grow. A very important thing that you need to remember here is changing water. So after you do the propagation and after the cuttings are in the water, try to change the water once in 2 to 3 days, or maybe even 5 days. You just have to observe the water. If it changes its color, or if you see any formation of larvae growing in water, then immediately discard the water and put fresh water in. That's a very important thing that you need to follow. Thank you for watching my video, and if you have liked the video, please subscribe to my channel. And if you have tried to propagate pothos after watching my video, please do share it in your Instagram stories and tag me. I am on Instagram at the Woman of Words. I will leave the link in my description box and you can please follow me for more further tips and very creative content as well. Thank you so much for watching my video.